Want to recover Trust Wallet account? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, if you want to recover your Trust Wallet account, the first thing you want to do is locate your 12 or 24 word recovery phrase. This is the only way to restore your Trust Wallet account. If you never saved it, you won't be able to recover your funds. To restore on a new device, install Trust Wallet from Play Store. Open the app and tap on I already have a wallet. Now choose multi-coin wallet for specific token you used for. Enter your recovery phrase word in exact order you wrote them down. Create a new passcode or biometric lock to secure the restored wallet. If you still have your original device unlocked, you can view your recovery phrase by opening settings inside Trust Wallet. Simply tap Wallet, select your wallet and then tap Show Recovery Phrase and confirm with Face ID or your passcode. Write down the words in order and store them in a safe place. Once restored, verify your token balances. Add any custom tokens under Settings to ensure all your assets appear. If you encounter invalid phrase errors, double check spelling and that each word is supported by Trust Wallet's Recovery Dictionary. And that's all it takes to recover your Trust Wallet account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.